Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram 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 Hare सर्वदा मेरे कृपाल नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य वेदांत श्री भगवान गोसाई महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य वेदांत शिवानंद गोसाई महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूं। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त विष्णु कृष्ण के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायुक्त धन्यवाद प्रणाम स्वीकार। अभी अभी आप लोगों ने
So just now you have heard about Nityalila Pravishna Vishnupad Ashtota Shashi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Shila Bhakti Raksha Shila Sridhar Goswami Maharaj. So you have just heard about him. So our Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti publisher is Bhakti Vedanta Shila Bhakti Pragyana Shila Keshav Goswami Maharaj has given sannyas to Bhakti Raksha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj. In this way, his nature, his Harikatha, so you have just heard about. So where big Harikatha assembled, so there Bhakti Raksha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, he used to preach there. Even we have heard when Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he was performing Aswastha Leela, so there were many Kirtaniyas with him who used to do very nice Kirtan. But Prabhupada said, when he started the Kirtan Shri Rupa Manjari Pad, so please ask to Sridhar Maharaj, he will say this Kirtan. Actually Sridhar Maharaj was not the Kirtaniya, but still what we have heard already, who are the speaker, they are not the Kirtaniya, who are the Kirtaniya, they are not the speaker. It happens usually. Maybe it is possible that the Kirtaniya and speaker are the same, but mostly we have seen in a general way, who are the speaker, they are not the Kirtaniya, those are the Kirtaniya, they are not the speaker. So Gurudev was like that actually. So we have heard that Gurudev sometimes he used to say, no, I want to Kirtan like. So most of the cases we have seen the same thing, like the speaker is not the Kirtaniya, Kirtan is not the speaker. So I have heard Bhakti Raksha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, he was not the Kirtaniya. Maybe I commit the offense in his feet. So if I say something little bit about him here and there, so it will be offenses. So whatever I have heard from the Vaishnav, so I am just following that. I am speaking the same. Because Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, he said, you do the Kirtan, Shri Rupa Manjari Padeta, Sai Mora Sampada. Because he wrote, we shouldn't pay the attention on the Kirtan's tune, rhythm. We should always observe the feeling, because Bhagwan always observe the feelings. Bhavgirahi Janardana. Bhagwan and Guru or Vaishnav, they just see that in what kind of feelings you are expressing. Murkha vadati Vishnave nama. Murkha vadati Vishnaya nama. Dhiro vadati Vishnavo nama. Obhyantu Samanpana. So what is the meaning actually here? So whatever the Bhagwan always accept the feelings. We have heard the Param Guru Maharaj Bhakti Pragyan Srila Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he never spoke the full shlokas. So whatever I have heard about him, or I have just watched some lecture of him, he never recited shlokas. He always speak without the shloka. Srila Param Guru Maharaj, when he went to Assam for preaching, so he said that Hong Kong Dev is not the Bhagwan. So people asked that what is the proof that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagwan. So at that time our Trivikrama Maharaj, he wrote everything, and so he has given whatever Trivikram. So whatever Trivikram Maharaj wrote, so he has given to Bhakti Vedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj. So Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, so he used to say, Bhakti Vedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj used to say, people tell him that he is a Gaudiya dictionary. He got this title that he is the Gaudiya dictionary, Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj. So in this way, so Acharya expressing their views, just like Narad Rishi is Narad Rishi done so beautiful kirtan. Narad Muni Bajai Veena. I was speaking Hari Katha somewhere, so there was a Puran Hari Katha. Narad Rishi, he was visiting everywhere, and he went to one place, reached one place. What he saw there, everybody is looking white there. From tree and everything is white there. So Narad Rishi was thinking, how everything is white here. So Narad Rishi was thinking about Bhagwan. So Yogamaya appeared Bhagwan, and Bhagwan said, hey Narad, whatever the kirtan you are doing of the Virah, so that's why in the Virah everything became white. So that is called Shvetadeep, white Iceland. We used to show Terjik, Nitya Geet, Vadhya and instrumental, singing, dancing and playing instrument. So everybody has their own Devta. So the people who are staying in the Gandharva Lok, so they are very, very expert in their singing, dancing and kirtan. So who is the topmost? Tamburi Rishi, yes. In the Gandharva Lok, who is the topmost Gandharva is Tamburi Rishi. Yes. Tamburi Rishi. Tamburi. Somebody is saying that there is a pumpkin, and inside the pumpkin, what is we call that is tamburi. So Tamburi Rishi is the topmost in Gandharva Lok in singing, dancing, and in playing instrument. So when in the Mahaprabhu's assembly, Sarup Damodar and Rai Damanand used to sit, and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, they not are ordinary personalities. They are Tattvakya, Marmagya, so they are very expert in everything. So where Rupa Goswami Pad is asking the questions, he wrote one Grantha. So there were one word was used about that. Please tell us about something, the Krishna's flute. Everything is described there very nicely. So at that time what they are saying, so Rupa Goswami Pad written very beautiful shlok about the sound of the flutes. So what to speak about this word? After crossing this word, when he went to Gandharva Lok, so there is a topmost Terjik in Tamburi Rishi. When Tamburi Rishi heard the sound of the flute, so his hand was paining. Oh, who is playing this beautiful tune? What kind of? So every day we used to do the Jai Shishi Guru Gaurang Gandharika. So who is the Gandharika? Shrimati Radhika Rani. So when Tamburi Rishi was paining, and he was thinking, oh, where is the sound flute came? So that crossed the Gandharva Lok, and then Vaikuntha Lok, and even Swarg Lok. Everything is crossed when the sound of the flute reach. There are beautiful apsaras in the Swargalok, so they were plucking the Parijat flowers. So when they heard the sound of the flutes, so all the cloths they after hearing the sound of the flutes, they are dressed unveiled. They left everything there. So when all the Apsara's body was shivering at the time, so whatever the flowers they have plucked, so all the plucked fall down into the feet of Krishna, on the head of Krishna. They shower the flower on the head of Krishna. So that is a beautiful sound. So when the sound of the flute enter into the gopis' ear, so you have already know that what happened with them. Visham Geetam Tadamra Vardhanam Vraj Geet Krishna Grihita Manasa. So this shlokas is very beautiful. Why I am telling you about these? All these kinds of the sounds of the flutes and all the sangeet music, they have their own devta. And some people used to do sadhan and they got the mercy of their Adhishtatri Devta, just like Keshav Kashmiri. He was so much expert in learned. He was so much a scholar that he got the mercy of Saraswati Devi himself. Devaval Paramvalam. Devi Valahi Paramvalam. It is said that if somebody got the mercy of Devta, so he must be so powerful. And Arjun also lived in the heaven for 1 year, Devaval. That's why it is saying in the scriptures, Devavalam hi Paramvalam. So whatever kinds, there are many kinds of power. So if somebody gets the power of the Devta, so he will be so powerful. Just like Keshav Kashmiri example, if we are taking, so Saraswati Devi always resides in his neck, and he has recited, so he has published so many shlokas, thousands shlokas, just like a air. He was speaking in a very flow, and Mahaprabhu said, and he said to Mahaprabhu, what you would like to hear with me? So Mahaprabhu said that we are staying at the bank of Yamuna, so please tell the glory of Ganga. Mahaprabhu said, I am a teacher of grammar only, and even I don't know that properly, and how my the disciples or student understand, so I don't know. So Mahaprabhu was saying very humbly, I am just a child teacher. I am a child teacher of grammar. So there are many kinds of dhatu, Bhagdadati, like this kinds of Mahaprabhu was saying. So Mahaprabhu said that I am a child teacher of grammar, and I don't know that how much they are learning, how much they understand me. So please, Mahaprabhu told that please to glorify something about Ganga. So after hearing this, Keshav Kashmiri recited so many shlokas on the glories of Ganga. So who was speaking at that time? He was speaking or his Adhishtatri Devta. So externally we see that Keshav Kashmiri is speaking, but internally Saraswati Devi was speaking. Just like if somebody is suffering, there is a ghost comes on somebody's body, so ghost is speaking everything. In the same way, Keshav Kashmiri was speaking that time, or actually Saraswati Devi was speaking. So hearing all that thing, Mahaprabhu was so much pleased. Mahaprabhu said that Keshav Kashmiri is very expert. So Keshav Kashmiri asked, what I said, did you understand anything? So Mahaprabhu said, yes, you said everything very nicely. So Mahaprabhu said to him, so everything you have so qualities, but still there is a little fault. So Keshav Kashmiri said, it is not possible that I have fault in my poetry. Whatever I have recited, the shlok, there is no fault in it. Mahaprabhu said, there is a little fault. What happened? And Mahaprabhu said, so whatever the shlok they have recited, Mahattam Gangaya, so Mahaprabhu recited, and he said 5 qualities and 5 faults in there. And hearing that, Keshav Kashmiri was surprised. It is not possible for a human being. How he has recited all the shloks in very in a quick way.
और कोई भी हो सकता है।
Mahaprabhu said that whatever you are speaking, Ashu Kavi.
अच्छा बता
So Mahaprabhu said that okay, he showed the fault to Keshav Kasmeri. So what's my meaning to say?
किसने कहा ये अधिष्ठात्री देवता जैसे संगीत आदि और लिखते हैं इसके अधिष्ठात्री देवता का
So Keshav, everything they have their Adhishtati Devta.
वो क्या करते हैं वही तुम्हारे पास साक्षात में प्रकट हो जाता है
So
संगीत में साधन
that Adhishtati Devta always appeared after performing some sadhan that appeared before you. So that's why Sangeeta Shastra is topmost.
जितने प्रकार के विद्या है
There are many kinds of Vidya
गंधर्व वेद
which is called Gandharva Ved.
एक उपवेद में आते हैं ना हरि शाम उपवेद का छंद ताल लय मान आदि
Chand Tal Lay Man. It is in Samved.
थोड़ा सी कहानी एक दिन में सुना रहा
I was here telling one story.
ये देखो एक संत महात्मा
There was a Sant Mahatma. He was a very high level Sant.
संगीतज्ञ भी थे
So he was also a very nice musician and speaker both. He was a speaker and Sangeet musician also.
एक दिन घूमते घूमते
So one day he was visiting somewhere. So he reached a place, one village. So it was the evening time. The villagers said that it is evening time. So where you will stay? Where will you stay? So what happened that time? Early ancient time you have seen that temple used to be outside from the villages. So the villagers given him permission to stay in that temple outside from the village.
और सुबह शाम के समय पुजारी आता है
So at the time of evening Pujari used to come, he performed Aarti and he went away. So if there's something special day or auspicious day comes, so every day that people gather there. Otherwise whole year that temple be very isolated. So Sant Mahatma was very high level Sant. So what happened? So he was a great musician also.
क्योंकि संत महात्मा सबके निमंत्रण किया
So Sant Mahatma invited everybody, so please you come and hear Hari Katha. So all the people from the villages, they used to come to hear Katha, hearing Hari Katha in the evening.
अच्छी लगा तो कहते थे संत महात्मा कैसे
So when then Sant Mahatma shouldn't live one place. That this is the nature of Sant Mahatma. They should travel everywhere.
चलना शुरू कर देते जैसे पानी है ना आज
So this is the character of a Sant Mahatma. He must be like a flowing water. He cannot stay one place so long. So that's why. So this is the character of Sant Mahatma. They shouldn't stay one places. They are not saying like that this is mine, this is yours. How long they are staying somewhere, it's good. That's why it is said in Hindi proverb, Ramta Jogi Bheta Pani. Sant is just like a flowing water. He shouldn't stay one places. So that Sant Mahatma,
उस मंदिर में जो है 2 दिन 7 दिन रहे
so he stayed there for 5 days around, and he spoke a beautiful Hari Katha,
लग जाता
and all the people used to come in the evening for hearing Hari Katha. So
सुबह के समय का
at the morning time, Sant Mahatma, he used to get up early morning, and 4 o'clock he gets up, and he used to
क्या बोले बस दौड़ में जहाँ दुनिया में
he used to play some instrument, and he used to sing
भाव में
the bhav. So what happened?
संत महात्मा एक दिन क्या करें बाजार में साक्षात रूप से विख्यात नहीं चलता मेरे कहीं इधर साक्षात रूप से प्रकट और भगवान की इच्छा ही है और उसी दिन
So when he was playing and singing that time, so the Adhishtati Devta of the music appeared before him, and he was talking to that lady, the Devta, Devi. So the one lady from the villages came, and she saw, this Sant Mahatma, he is speaking very nice Hari Katha, and now he is talking with a lady. Oh my God, what is this? So this is the nature of a lady, because this is the nature of a ladies, that they cannot digest anything. So they spread the news in all the villages like a fire. So she spread the news in all over the villages like a fire. So when everybody heard this news, they came to that Sant Mahatma. So Yudhishthir Maharaj cursed to the ladies that you cannot digest anything. She cannot hide anything. This is the nature. So that's why ladies are cursed by Yudhishthir Maharaj. Maybe you have heard this story. You know? Yudhishthir Maharaj cursed the ladies that you cannot hide anything. Cursed. What was the story? क्या स्टोरी? भाई कहानी स्टोरी क्या बताइए? क्या?
देखो वो स्त्री ने किया कि भाई आपके वहाँ भी सारे गांव में कथा को
So Yudhishthira Maharaj calls to the ladies in this way. So what happened? We are coming to the Hari Katha. So all the villagers thought, oh, this people, this Sant, he is staying in the temple. So at the evening he is speaking very nice Hari Katha, but in the morning, in the night he is staying with the ladies. Oh, this is very bad. So some people said, no, it is possible, maybe he is very high level Sant Mahatma, so maybe he is talking to some Devta or Devi. So some people were doubting. So some people thought that we have to go and we have to see ourselves, then we will believe. We are not believing this lady, we will go and see ourselves. So Sant Mahatma, he regularly, so what he saw, that when he was speaking Hari Katha, so everybody was sitting there, but everybody's minds was disturbed because they had some doubt. They had some doubt over me. They are not able to understand me. So Sant Mahatma was thinking, well, no problem. So in the morning, when he was in the Brahm Muhurat, when he woke up, and Sant Mahatma usually he was performing his sadhan. So the villagers thinking that we will go early in the morning and catch the Sant Mahatma with our eyes. So Sant Mahatma, he was performing kirtan with a very beautiful tune and the rhythm. So the person who has the knowledge about music, only they know that what is fault and what is the quality other person is saying. There are many kinds of alapas. Rajkumari chale chale chale. I told you a story one day that Rajkumari chale chale chale. Rajkumari is going. Rajkumari is going. How long she will go, nobody knows. So there are many kinds of tal, tune, rhythm. Dhani nachat dekhi, dhani nachat dekhi, dhani. So I told you this story one day about after it is a story in the Pran. In any Pran there is a Katha when Bhagwan came into the form of Brahmachari after Bakasur killing. So Bhagwan got a beautiful form. He got a beautiful form of lady and said to Bakasur, where are you going? I am searching for Shivji, and I did the austerity of Shivji and I didn't get him. He is make the people fool. So when Bhagwan got the beautiful form, so Bakasur said, oh, Bakasur, what is his name? So seeing his form, he was so much attracted towards Bhagwan.
एक काम करो,
He said, okay, do one thing, you may get married with me. So Bhagwan said, okay, no problem. There is one problem in getting married with me.
विराज में क्या नित्य करना पड़ता है?
So because there is a tradition in our culture, in our society, that everybody has to perform dance who is going to getting married with me. So Bhagwan said, there is a one condition, how I am performing dance, so you have to follow me. Dhani nachat dekhi, he was putting hand on his head. Dhani nachat, he was saying like this. So he was putting hand on his head.
तो वो इसमें वही तोड़ दिया।
So he was so much attracting towards that dance, and he sacrificed himself. So Bhasmasur. So some Puran, it is this kinds of katha is. It is not in Bhagavatam.
क्या जी? आप कथा पे आपका तो दोबारा मुझे पड़ेगा।
So after getting the Vardhan, Bhasmasur went away.
भागवत की कथा नहीं है।
It is not the katha. In some Puran, this is katha. Some Pandit used to say like this.
हिंदी पुराण में होगा।
So Pandit used to speak.
हम तो ये कहते हैं कि महाराज जी क्या अपने कथा से बोल रहे हैं। भाई पंडित लोग जो बोलते हैं कहीं
So whatever the Pandit used to say, so it must be mentioned somewhere. They are speaking from some Puran. So the foundation of Harikathas, everybody, somewhere they have heard.
है कि नहीं है?
As I told you, the katha of the Chaya Sita, so it is mentioned in the Brahmavaivar Puran.
द्रौपदी कितने बनेंगे? द्रौपदी 66।
Draupadi became Chaya Sita, and she performed thousands and thousands years austerity, and she went to the Swarg in the form of Swarg Lakshmi. She stays there,
स्वर्ग में लक्ष्मी के रूप में रही। फिर स्वर्ग लक्ष्मी से नीचे आ गई।
and then she came down,
फिर आकर के फिर उनको जो है ये रूप बना। क्या बोले? 66 के रूप में।
then she came in the form of Chaya Sita. So there are many kathas.
जानते नहीं है इसलिए कहते हैं।
If we are not aware about that, so we used to say, oh, what kinds of Maharaj is saying this Harikatha.
एक बांग्ला में कहा है अखाड़ी को पाते नहीं तो कोई ज्यादा नो फाउंडेशन है। किस बात में तो नहीं पुराण की कथा जैसा मैं ये कथा सुना
So this is the story of Puran. Maybe Prabhuji has read somewhere. Dhani nachat nachat nachat.
रूप देख करके वही हो गया। भगवान जो है महीने रूप धारण
So Bhagwan got the Mohini form, a beautiful form. So Bikasur, he was attracted toward that form.
बोले मेरे साथ नहीं
And Bhagwan said that there is a one condition, if somebody would like to get married with me, so he has to dance according to me. So how he has to perform dance? So Bhagwan said, whatever I am doing, so he has to perform the same action. So he was also feared that maybe I shouldn't touch the hand of the head. So he was, because Mahadev given the benediction that if you put your hand on somebody's head, so he will be destroyed. So this is the Leela of Bhagwan. So Bhagwan, he was dancing in this Dhani nachat dekhi like this. So he was putting hand on his head. So he put hand on his head and he destroyed. So that's why he became Bhasmasur. Guru Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai.
वो गांव वाले जो है गांव वाले पहले तैयार हुए थे। ये रंगली हाथ में आप पकड़ लेंगे।
So now we are coming to that Hari Katha. So people were thinking that we will catch in red-handed to Sant Mahatma. So that Sant Mahatma was not ordinary personality. He was very, very high level Sant. So what happened when he was performing his sadhana early in the morning? So when he was practicing the music, so that beautiful lady, the Adhishtatri Devi of music, she came. And when he was performing Leela, so she disappeared after laughing. And they see all the villagers people, she saw all the villagers and she disappeared. So all the villagers people, they said because they have seen with their eyes. So now what happened? The Sant Mahatma said that you were doubting over me that I was with some ladies, but actually she was the Adhishtatri Devi of my music. So in the Bhajan Rasya Granth, we have heard already Chintanam, Mantrartha Chintan. We should always chant Chintan, that remember the Mantra Devata. This is the sadhan, nothing else. What is sadhan actually? So you have to manifestate your mantra. Let's suppose that one example, you are chanting the Guru Mantra, Guru Gayatri. So what is mentioned in the Guru Gayatri? Krishna Nandaya. Krishna Nandaya. Krishna means who is Krishna Nandaya means who is giving the pleasure to Srimati Radhika. So we have to manifestate the devtas of mantra. It is not possible in one day. So you have taken the Diksha mantra. It is not possible very soon. What you have to perform sadhan. This is the sadhan. Understand? Krishna Nandaya Dhimai, not Krishna. Krishna Nandaya. So Krishna Nandaya means who is giving pleasure to Srimati Radhika Rani. So who is giving the pleasure to Srimati Radhika Rani? Who will be that? He will be Rupa Manjari. He will be Manjari. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is saying in the Mantrartha Deepika Granth. Have you heard the name of Mantrartha Deepika? I told you earlier also, Mantrartha Deepika Granth, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. It is written by Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Mantrartha Deepika. Everybody has to learn this Grantha. Read this Grantha. So every mantra has their Adhishtatri Devta. So you have to manifest the Mantrartha Devta. So this is called the sadhan, that how you can manifest the devtas of mantra. Dhimahi, dhyan, I remember that. Dhimahi means I remember that devta. So that Gurudev manifested in my heart. Pra mane pratishtha rupena. Udaya means he must be manifested in my heart. Prachodayat. So whatever the swarup. So which kind of swarup that is? Who is giving the pleasure to Radha Rani? So that be Manjari. Who is giving the pleasure to the Radhaji? He must be the Manjari. So that kind of Guru, the form of Guru manifested in my heart. Raman Manjari. Everybody knows that what is the Swarup of Gurudev. Raman Manjari, Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari, Raghunath Das Goswami, Rathi Manjari. So you have heard and now you have reciting like a parrot. Have you had any kinds of realization? Or manifest the Swarup. So that kinds of Guru will be manifested in your heart. So that's why there are 5 kinds of rules in Bhajan Rasya Granth. For Mantra Siddhi, there are 5 rules. Mantrartha Chintanam, note. Nyas Mudra, you know? Mantrartha Chintanam, Nyas Mudra, you know everything 5?
यही मंत्रार्थ चिंतन करते करते इसके समझ में नहीं आ रहे। ये काम गायत्री की है
when Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad he was chanting of the mantras, he was not able to understand that there are 24.5 letters. So which is the half letters there. He read all kinds of granthas according to this grammar. So but still he was not able to understand. So he wanted to sacrifice his life into Radha Kund. So Radha ji herself, she dreamed him, "Hey Hari Vallabh, look, our Kasturi Manjari, Krishna's Kaviraj, whatever he has written in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, this is true. This is the half letter is Mantrarchin. Huh? Which Granth? So you go to in that Granth, I don't know which is name, and you will find the solution there. So what is sadhana actually? You are doing Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, that's good. So you have to manifest the Adhishtatri Devta of mantra. It is not possible by the ordinary sadhan. So you have to do so much hard work on. It is not possible only by just saying. Some used to say, Gurudev, please tell me your Swarup. So first you think about your Swarup, then you will think about my Swarup. So you perform your sadhan. By your sadhan you will remove all your anartha. So first clean your heart. First you have to clean your heart. Without performing sadhan, it is not possible. There is no use of it. And if I tell you your own Swarup, then still there is nothing. First you have to remove all your anarthas. This is the sadhan. So by performing your sadhan, you have to remove all your anarth. Then your own Swarup will be manifested in your heart. Then your mantra devta will be manifested in your heart. So mantrartha chintanam. So you have to chant the meaning of the mantra. न्यास मुद्रा प्रपत्ति शरणागति आत्मनिवेदन. There are 5 processes. So you have to follow these 5 rules. This is called the sadhan. Day and night you have to engage yourself in your sadhan. Read the scriptures, chant the holy name. It is not possible only by the reading scriptures. And it is not possible only by the hearing. Nayanatma pravachane labhyo na medya na bhavshiten. Name vaishvaranutiten tem nalvetas tasmet atma tanum swam. Some people used to say that when Bhagwan will mercy upon us. No, it is not. You have to do the cheshta. You have to perform the sadhan. Then Bhagwan will mercy upon you and manifest it in your heart. That's why again and again I am going to giving intense. First start from Guru Mantra. First start from the Brahma Gayatri or start with Guru Mantra. And then chanting the mantra, then you will realize. It is not possible in one day. You have to do so much sadhan. You have to do so much exercise. So there is many processes there. We are not following the process. That's why Srila Gurudev used to say, Jar hoye kartavya gyan. Who has no common sense, who doesn't have can understand the Divya Gyan. So he must have little bit common sense. So we have. So if you are hearing so high level katha, still it is not possible to you to understand. Sant Mahatmas, they are very broad hearted. So for they would like to increase the greed in your hearts. That's why they are saying so much high level katha to you. but it doesn't mean that after hearing this katha it is possible to you, then you will get your object. No, you have to start from the basics level. So you have to perform sadhan. So you have to perform sadhan. So after hearing so many high level katha, somebody is speaking so many high katha, so you got some little bit greed, and it doesn't mean that you have got everything. No, you have to perform sadhan. So this is called sadhan. First you start from Guru Mantra. First you manifest the devatas of mantra. How is it possible? When you are serving, then you will get this. Gurudev used to tell one thing. You have to rub your body for serving Gurudev. अरे वो उपमन्यु है आरुणि, उपमन्यु and Aruni. You should note down this. They used to ask the same question again and again. Upamanyu and Aruni. Upamanyu and Aruni. So Upamanyu and Aruni, they have served their Gurudev so long. So in one day we used to say, so I'm just telling in a laughing way. Actually, we used to say sometimes that we have our Durvasha Rishi, and also we have some vegetables, growing some vegetables here. So Gurudev say one day, if Gurudev is not coming, so nobody is going there. If Gurudev ordered you, so nobody will go. If Gurudev is not going there, so nobody will go. So how you will follow the order? So it is not the one day work. I am just telling this in a laughing way. Everybody, you have to rub your body in the service of Gurudev. So not only in one birth, you have to take so many births. So some people have come to the temple and they are playing very beautiful mridang. So if they are playing the mridang and he has learned the mridang so early, so some people used to say that how he has learned so early. So it is not only one day work. Maybe he has learned from his previous birth. That's why he is quick learner here. So there are many mantras in the mridanga. So mantra is called the sadhan. So one who is playing mridang, so he is doing so much hard work. So I have seen some brahmachari, they used to get up early in the morning and they used to play the mridang early in the morning. So the person who used to play the mridangs, only they know. I have seen some brahmachari, they are not saying, but whatever the mridang they are playing, so the beautiful sound is coming by their mridang. So this is the sadhan actually. It is not possible in the one birth, so they has to take so many births. So after so many births, they will get this. Do or die. Just perform your sadhan.
जो कथा बोलती जा
So the Katha was telling.
राम बोल के सबको कथा समाप्त हो
So the Katha that was because Sant Mahatma, all the people,
वो संत महात्मा
the Sant Mahatma was not ordinary person. He was performing the sadhana and he got the siddhi, and all the mantra, Adhishtati Devi, she appeared before him, and all the people, they believe, oh, now they believe that this is not an ordinary personality.
नाम और मंत्र में कोई भेद नहीं है
There is no difference between Naam and mantra.
जपिते मंत्र कोरिलक बादल हसाई नसाई मोरे कराई प्रनिमन वो नाम और मंत्र में कोई भी difference
There is no difference between Naam and mantra.
कहा जाता है
Because Naam is called vocative case, Samvanatma, Hey Krishna, Hare Krishna.
ये नाम नहीं रहता है
So it's remains in the name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
ये सब मंत्र ये जो नाम में क्या है सब मोदी के
This is all vocative case in the Sambodhan Karak. He is vocative.
और मंत्र में क्या
And in the mantra, Sambandh,
है संप्रदान का
Sampadan Karak.
संप्रदान में जो ऑफर
Samdan means to offer.
स्वाहा
Swaha Prachodayat,
स्वाहा नमः आदि के द्वारा
Swaha Nama.
प्रदान करना है
So it means Sampradan, means to offer. Oh my God.
एक संबोधन पद होता है और एक
One is Sambodhan and second is Sampradan. Sambodhan means vocative and Sampradan means
जो है नाम और मंत्र
to offer.
नहीं है
So there is no difference between Naam and mantra.
गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद और गोपी जन बल्लभ
Govinda Krishna Gopijan Vallabha.
उसमें जो है विभक्ति कारण विभक्ति दे करके क्या कर दिया
Govinda Gopijan Vallabha Nama Sampradan Karak. To offer. Nothing else is
और
there.
नाम में साक्षात में आपको गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल
Hare Mukunda.
गोपाल हरे मुकुंद गोविंद हे नंद किशोर कृष्ण आश्रित सुतन तनय वसीला श्री वल्लभी वंदना दिदेश श्री कृष्ण गोपाल हरे मुकुंद गोविंद हे नंद किशोर कृष्ण अपने जीवन कहानी जीवन के इतिहास
Mathur Brahman. So Gop Kumar was telling this love story to the Mathur Brahman, his disciple, that
अपने जो अनुभव
how I realized myself, how I got the Bhagwan. So Gop Kumar told all the story to his disciple.
मेरा जन्म कहाँ पर हुआ
Where I got the birth in Govardhan.
भगवान कहाँ जन्म हुआ
Govardhan,
अच्छी बात है
where you have got birth? Gop Kumar or Delhi?
कौन सा क्रम में
Radha Kund. Govind Kund.
कुमार है ना लाए चला गया
Govind Kund.
हैं?
Gokul?
कुमार के एक तो हुआ कहाँ गोवर्धन में जन्म
Gop Kumar once he got the birth in Govardhan
कौन सा क्रम में गोकुल में
and he got the birth in the Gopkul, in the Gop dynasty. So it is spontaneous. So when he got the birth in the Gop dynasty, so his business is to herding the cows. So when he was herding the cows, so he went to Keshigars at the bank of Yamuna. So he got the name at Keshi Ghat, and when he saw at Keshi Ghat there is a Sant Mahatma sitting in his hut, and Sant Mahatma was doing this kirtan, Shri Krishna, play. Shri Yashu. जीवन राधिकेश कृष्ण गोपाल हरे मुकुंद. So that Gopkumar saw that the Sant Mahatma, he was closing his eyes and he was meditating something. So after some time, when he opened his eyes, so he saw me and he was so much pleased. So I was not aware that how I got the mercy of that Sant Mahatma. And his love and affection was so much to me that every day I used to go there. So this is a long story. Then he told the life history of his. Jayant got the, according to the, Jayant got the birth. He got the birth in Bihar. At the bank of Yamuna, he got the birth there. Search on the Google. Instant. Jain, the guru of Madhur Gopkumar. उनके बोले मेरे लिए थोड़ा दूध ले आओ. और हर रोज गपकुमार जब ये क्या लेकर जाते थे, थोड़ा बहुत पी लेते थे और उनको प्रसाद देते. धीरे धीरे उनके प्रति इतने प्रकार आसक्त. एक दिन उनके गुरु. So one day what happened, his Guru Jain said to Gopkumar, I am just would like to give you so valuable, precious thing, which is the prasad of Jagdish. What kind of prasad is that? So you go and take the bath in the Ganga. So Gopkumar went to take the bath in Yamuna, and he has given this Gopal mantra to him. So when he has given the mantra, so his Jayant Gurudev got fainted. So the faint was coming on his mouth. So he has given the mantra, so how he has to chant the mantra, who is the Adhishthatri Devta or mantra, so nothing is told. Even he didn't tell the meaning of the mantra. And he got fainted and the faint was coming in his mouth. So Gopkumar saw that my Guru is got fainted. So he went to Yamuna and took some water from on his palm, and when he returned back, and Gurudev, he disappeared. Bola Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. And Gopkumar was so much eager to his Guru. He was searching his Guru everywhere, but even every corner of Vrindavan he searched, but he didn't find him. Because he got so much separation from his Guru. So he left Vrindavan and he went to Prayag.
अरे हमने क्या ये नहीं गोपकुमार की कथा जहाँ
Gopkumar went to which temple? Where? After Prayagraj.
वो राजा बनेंगे ना क्या बोलेंगे? अनंत पद्मनाभ
He went to Ananta Padmanabh. He became the king there. There's a long story. And he left that place and he went to Jagannath Puri, Tamil Nadu. And then he went to Jagannath Puri. Once his Gurudev given his darshan. Then he went after Jagannath Puri. He went to Swargalok and he became Indra. So in this way he visited everywhere in every planet. So he told his all history. When he went to Vaikuntha, so his Guru Narayana said, I was your Guru. Narayana himself said that I was Guru, and he told all the tattva to him. There is a doubt here. If you study a little bit deeply, when in Vaikuntha, when he reached to Vaikuntha, so Narayan himself, he said, Gopkumar, I was your Guru. I have given the mantra to you. So here it is Narayan. Guru, he is Narayan Tattva, and his Swarup was Braj.
गुरु में ये औरत है, मैं थोड़ा बहुत ये होता है विचार में थोड़ा लगता है कि यह है तत्व विचार क्या है? भगवान तो एक ही है.
Bhagwan is one.
गुरु के कहा जाता है क्या?
Guru is called. So Guru is called the manifestation of Bhagwan. Sakshat Guru Svet Yevatasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. So Narayan himself said that I was your Guru. So Gopkumar from the Braj Bhav, Tattva to same, that Narayan Ras Vichar. So he is the same Bhagwan, but according to Ras Vichar, he is from Vaikuntha. Aishwarya. So in the Vaikuntha there is a Shanta Pradhan. Shanta Ras is prominent. And Gopkumar from the Sakhya Ras. He is from the Braj. Gaur Premanande, Hari Bol. Okay, see you tomorrow in the morning. Maybe Gurudev after Mangala Aarti he will move to Mathura tomorrow. Hare Krishna.